Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Hagen. Welcome back to Precast Chalk Talk here at Mid-States. Today, we're going to go into the office and meet a few people on our administrative team. I'm standing outside on this gorgeous day with my mask hanging from my ear. I'm sure this is kind of a new, cool earring look thing going on around the world today. So welcome back, and let's go meet a few of our in-house team members. You can do whatever you want.
A little shuffle up to Buffalo.
Yes.
There we go.
I'm using that.
This is what I'm talking about. You come into Mid-States and you get our welcoming committee person all around.
I am a committee.
Yes, you are. This is Mary. I think one really cool thing would be if you could just kind of tell us a little bit how long you've been here, some of the things you do, and then one really cool thing about Mid-States.
Let me start at the end. One really cool thing about Mid-States is the things we build and the graphic concrete products that we make and the individual products,
Nice.
Specifically stadium steps, which looks like a giant piece of rickrack, both in the cage and the finished product. So the things we make are very cool. I've been here just over 3 years, and every day is different. There's no predictable day.
So the next person you're going to meet is Tracy. And Tracy's really good about celebrating all the holidays. Like, for instance, right now we've got this haunted house. So let's go see what's really scary inside Tracy's haunted house. Boo!
Hello.
Hey, Trace.
Trick or treat.
Oh, look. See, when you come to Mid-States, candy, right? If you don't come for the products, the precast, you can come for Tracy's haunted house and her candies. So Tracy's 22, 25. I mean, we almost started kind of around the same time.
We did.
So Tracy, now, she's done everything here. But right now she is our pre-construction specialist. So she's helping all of our team members on the pre-construction side, which means kind of how does your day go? So you're probably processing what?
New orders.
Proposals, new orders.
Yep. I come in, I usually try and check my emails first. That way, in case I have information in there that somebody else needs, I take care of that first, and then I hop on to whatever's next.
And when Mary's not dancing at the front desk welcoming people, Tracy's often up there as well. So we're blessed with a really cool team.
Yep.
One really cool thing about Mid-States that you'd want our customers to know.
Well, I liked it the first time so much I came back the second time. So it's a great company to work for. We have amazing products and wonderful owners. They're great to work for, so it's been a blessing. My family's been raised through this company, so
yes,
and now my grandchildren.
Many families. No, we actually have fourth generation people working here now.
Yeah,
it's really, really cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks, Trace. Yeah. This is the IT perch. This is where all brilliance and systems administration and creative, software and everything going on up here. Good stuff. So Nate and Matt. So Nate, why don't you start? How long have you been with Mid-States now?
Oh, sure. I'm coming up on 3 years in a couple months.
All right.
And started off just doing basic desk support, and now I'm managing the servers, software, anything and everything. And
so some of the things that how'd your day start today? What was that like?
Oh, sure. Well, we just had a meeting with our maintenance foreman because he's evaluating a new software that we're using to manage like assets and preventative maintenance, thing like that. So he's, asked for my help in making sure that things are all in order and that we're moving our databases over properly. And it's been a good project so far. And then do you have to take care of Matt a little bit? Is there some babysitting going on, or? We have a reciprocal arrangement. Oh, good. Yeah. Kind of a tit for tat caring thing. Something really cool about Mid-States that you would want our customers to know.
Sure. As Nate was saying, we're developing an in-house web-based application called Lois, which we're using to manage every part of our system now. It's got accounting in it. It's got our invoicing in it, purchasing, everything from listing rebar for our cage tie environment.
And so you've been here for 5 years, and has anyone ever told you what the acronym Lois stands for?
All I knew is that was your grandmother's name. But I believe it's Lean Operating Information System.
Yes. Thanks for tuning in this afternoon and meeting a few of our administrative team members. Until next time, be well. Cheers.